Hello, everyone. This is Weatherman Nate underscore LOL with Faith 7. And welcome to another video. We're still watching the powerful coastal storm that's impacting my area this afternoon. And the sun is about to go down now. And it's about to become nighttime hours. And the street light has turned on. If you're a subscriber and if you're familiar with my YouTube channel, if you're familiar with my channel, I made a video this morning on this storm. I made a video this morning on this storm here, and the wind was strong this morning. And as of early this afternoon, the wind was strong as well. And now moving into the nighttime hours, evening into night. Let's just say evening, nighttime hours, dark time. It's about to get dark. Y'all understand. I don't know why I keep explaining it, y'all. I'm sorry. Now, yep, the powerful coastal storm is still impacting my area. The powerful coastal storm is still impacting my area. And by the time I go to school tomorrow morning, I think the wind is still supposed to be doing its thing. Or mostly the raining. Or mostly the rain activity. It's still supposed to be raining. But yeah, the wind has actually got up to, I say the highest wind gust I seen today was 37 miles per hour. 37, 38 miles an hour. Gust. 37, 38 miles an hour gust. Let y'all see the trees. I'm sorry about the quality, y'all. But y'all can see the trees a little bit, right? The powerful coastal storm. The powerful coastal storm. Yeah, y'all can still see the trees a little bit. Before it get too dark outside and y'all can't see it at all, you know. Look over there. I'm trying to be still. Y'all can see that flag moving over there. That flag right there, this flag. So you know it's blowing. Yep. I'm trying to get a good strong wind gust before I end this video. Oh yeah, y'all. By the way, I was gonna do a weather update video, but I just didn't get to it, y'all. Cause I had to do a whole lot of stuff, get my clothes out for the mall, for school, and all this other stuff. Oh Lord, there go the wind. Before it get too dark. That stop sign right there moving too, swinging. Oh, there's the tree. It's blowing, y'all. Oh, I'm sorry about the graphics. Oh Lord. I'm sorry about the graphics, y'all. I'm sorry about that, y'all. I got a notification. Ain't nothing I can do about that, y'all. I'm sorry. That stop sign right there moving. So we're just sitting here bonding, looking at the wind. That stop sign is going crazy. I'm sorry about the graphics, y'all. The graphics ain't all that good right now. Well, it's about to get way too dark now. Can't record nothing. Whew. Like you can literally hear the wind in the air. And now that power pole swinging. Stop sign doing too much. That stop sign over there. Whoa! Look over there. Oh. Yep, y'all just chilling, looking at the wind today. School week tomorrow. School week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. School days. High school, boy. Right here. High school. If Lord bless me, we're gonna make some changes in the next couple of months, if you know what I'm saying. Get that first. Look at that tree. Yep, you can't hardly see nothing now. It's way too dark. Well, I'm gonna end this video right here. All right, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this video. Everybody, leave a like if you enjoyed, and probably like and subscribe if you want to see another. Well, subscribe if you want to see another video. But until then, see you in my next video. God bless you all, and have a nice, amazing night, or whatever time you're watching this video. God bless you. Bye-bye. See you later. Oh, I'm sorry, y'all. I thought I was going to catch a strong wind gust for a second. All right. See you in my next video. Powerful coastal storm.